First off, get Unity. So we're going to want to open your web browser, which I use Chrome. We want to go to unity.com. You want to press Go Create, Download, and press this download button. I already have it installed. You're then going to have to go for a setup process. After that, it'll be in your downloads, which you can see up here in Chrome. And if you want to run Unity, you have to have, here are the requirements. I mean, you should have a up-to-date OS, and you should have a graphic card like this. So after you do that, you're gonna want to search up Unity Hub and press open. I already have it logged in, but it'll tell you to log in. So again, unity.com. I'll show you what the login process looks like. You want to, if you already have an account, go to sign in. If you don't, go to create a Unity ID, and yes, that's how you make one. Then you want to log in from here. So now, after you did this, you're going to want to go into installs. Now, for this project, I'm going to be using Unity 6, the most up-to-date version. But if you want to install an editor, you want to go into install editor, Unity 6. It might take a few hours, depending on how slow your Wi-Fi is. It may take like 30 minutes, but after that's installed, we want to go into new project. Unit version right there, so I'm going to switch that. Then I'll do that. Lunch rush. You don't have to do this, but I'd recommend doing this. It backs it up, I'm pretty sure. And this is if you want to work with other people. So now we're going to create it, and it's going to start making it. It's going to start loading it. Alright, and now we're here. This is what your project will look like. We can wait for it to do its stuff. And yeah, every time should be. Now I want to remove readme assets if you have that right there. And boom, this is your game. Alright, yep, y'all can hear me. So it's been a few days. I made a menu for the game, and I'm gonna teach how you can. So we go into the game, which I still need to work some stuff on. Here's the menu. It works on mobile. I'm gonna update this in the future. But press play. We go to a different scene, which scenes are located in assets, scenes, and then you can make a new one. Go into create scene. But with this, you can, in fact, make a menu. So first, you want to go to the plus button up here, go to UI, and press canvas. If you press panel or any of these other things, it'll I don't think Touch Mesh Pro will do it, but if you press panel, it'll make a canvas. So once you're in canvas, keep all these settings. Actually, you gotta change this. Screen space. You want it to be screen space overlay. That's what I use. It's best. You don't need to change this, but then I added some text by going right-clicking on this, and here's all the create, UI, Text Mesh Pro. You can adjust the text right here, the size, the color. Now for the button, you go in here to change the message, but I made a custom script which will load you into a scene called game, and then we press a plus, leave that. You drag the script in, go here, go all the way down to scene loader, load scene, and it'll load it. And yeah, that's all. And if you wanna change the background, you can do that. You can change the color, but I'm not going to for now. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I got the character set up, and I'm gonna tell you how to set it up. So for this one, I spent a little bit on, but it has some animations, pretty cool. I made this script, which is really cool, and a few of these other scripts, except for that one. But I can modify this speed here, sprint, and yeah, you want a character controller on it, and the script I have. I'm probably gonna publish this somewhere like on GitHub or something, but like, so the camera's right here. We got the guy, and that's how you make a character. You're also gonna be needing a camera, and yep, I also made some UI right here. Let me load up the game for ya. So it's in first person. The only issue I have that I can't seem to figure out is that like your camera doesn't move your guy, so you can just go in any direction. I'm not touching on mobile controls yet, but keyboard and mouse looks great. I can jump off. Oh, oh, I think I fell off. And yeah, I don't need the project files to upload it, and I'll do that later. But I'm gonna tell you how you can upload your project. So itch.io is the site I'm using because it's free to publish. And if you want to go on like the Apple store, that would be like $99 per year. And then the Android store is a $25 a one-time payment. The Android store is just the App Store. So first, you probably want your title. My game's Hard Rush. I'll put it right here, but you can put it to whatever you want. I'm gonna do that. A short description or tagline. It's gonna be like a short description, like so I'm gonna do now classification. What are you uploading? I'm uploading a game, but you can do more stuff like software. And kind of project, you can have downloaded, you can have HTML, Flash, Java, Unity. If it's HTML, that's how mine is. It's gonna be an HTML file. Like play in your browser. Pricing. So if you have like a PayPal, you can upload it from your files.
Alright, pretty good. So now
or choose from Dropbox. You can also add like a Google Drive, and they'll tell you, and they'll host it there. How should your project run? It'll be in the page.
Yeah, but that's a lot of.
And on the side, it will run on mobile, full screen button. Yes. Alright, so now we make a description, which I'll do later. Genre. We'll do a action. That's what mine is. Disclosure. An AI. App Store links. If you have any App Store links to it, you can do that. Custom noun. It'll like say, oh yeah, this is like a blank, but it's always game. So you can have comments, which I will do, draft. After that, you want to upload a cover image. It's required. So do that with this epic one I made. Let it load. Boom. Screenshots. I'll let more later. Photos. I'll just do the shorter one. And that is it. I'm gonna save it and